What would you rather focuses on comparing quantities to 100 and estimating and counting to 100. This digital resource has been made available by Pearson Mathology during the Covid-19 Pandemic. It's been narrated by Shelley Bembridge, Y2K teacher, HRCE. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Twitter at Y2K teacher, HRCE. Look at the pictures and then help the people and creatures make a choice. They might want the bigger collection, but sometimes you might have a different idea. Be ready to tell about your thinking. Hey, Mr. Dog Sled Driver, what would you rather? Sled dogs can run 30 kilometers per hour. That's how fast cars travel in some school zones. Sled dogs can weigh up to 30 kilograms. That's as heavy as 85 cans of soup. Hey, Squirrel, what would you rather? Adult gray squirrels eat up to 100 acorns each week. Gray squirrels bury their nuts about 5 centimeters deep in the ground. Nuts they leave behind can grow into trees. The African pygmy squirrel is the smallest squirrel in the world. It is only about 10 centimeters long, including its tail. That's about how wide your hand is when your fingers are spread apart. Hey, yellow spider, what would you rather? Some spiders are so small that 10 of them could fit on a pencil tip. Some spiders have no eyes, and some have 12 eyes. But most spiders have 8 eyes. The Goliath bird-eater spider is one of the largest spiders in the world. One spider was almost 28 centimeters across, which is wide as a dinner plate or almost as wide as a school ruler. I'd like you to tell me which sunflower you estimate has the most bees and how you made your estimation. Remember, I don't want you to count each bee. That's not estimating. Some mussels live for more than 100 years. The smallest mussels are about the size of your thumbnail. Another kind, the horse mussel, can grow to 25 centimeters across, or the size of a large pie plate. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Y2K Teacher, HRCE, and visit my website for more resources. The link is listed in the video description below. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Y2K Teacher, HRCE, and visit my website for more resources. The link is listed in the video description below.